Hello English learners. Welcome back to Think in English. If you're new here, I'm Sarah and I help beginners learn English through daily activities. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love reading all your messages and connecting with our global community. Today, we're going to learn English in a very practical way by following me around as I clean my kitchen. This lesson is perfect for beginners, and I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. We'll learn vocabulary related to kitchen items, cleaning supplies, and daily activities. Stay until the end because I've got a fun quiz to test what you've learned. Let's start with the sink area. Here we have some dirty dishes that need washing. In English, we say, wash the dishes, or do the dishes. I'm going to use dish soap and warm water. See this sponge? It's perfect for scrubbing plates and pots. When we finish washing, we place everything in the dish rack to dry. Now, let's move to the countertops. I'm using a cleaning spray and a cloth to wipe them down. Remember, wipe means to clean a surface with a cloth. Look at how shiny they become. We say the counters are spotless when they're perfectly clean. Time to sweep the floor. This broom helps collect all the crumbs and dirt. After sweeping, I'll use the dustpan to pick everything up. Then, I'll mop the floor to make it really clean. Mop is both a noun, the cleaning tool, and a verb, the action of cleaning. Let's check the refrigerator. We need to remove old food. We call this cleaning out the fridge. Any food that's expired needs to go in the trash bin. Then we'll use a clean cloth to wipe the shelves. Don't forget about the microwave. Heat a cup of water with lemon for 2 minutes. This makes cleaning easier. The steam helps loosen any stuck food, and we can simply wipe it clean. Before we finish, let's organize everything. In English, we say, put everything in its place, or tidy up. A clean and organized kitchen makes cooking much more enjoyable. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these words and phrases at home. Cleaning might not be the most exciting activity, but it's a great way to learn everyday English. Now, let's test what you've learned with 3 questions. Leave your answer in the comments. Question 1. What do we use to wash dishes? Option A, a broom, B, a sponge and dish soap, or C, a mop. Question 2. What do we call the action of cleaning surfaces with a cloth? Option A, sweep, B, mop, or C, wipe. Question 3. What word means perfectly clean? Option A, spotless, B, expired, or C, dusty. Leave your answer in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss our lessons. See you in the next video where we'll learn more practical English together.
Bye!